Hello boys and girls, this is Hotrod Ronnie. On my birthday, snowing like hell, should be 8 to 10 inches. Wasn't gonna let it bother me, if you can see. It's like an hour it's been doing this. Get here close to the fire so it doesn't. But the pyromaniac I am, I have this going on. Yeah. I mean, this damn thing is hot. Hot! I'll probably burn up a cord of wood this afternoon. I don't feel guilty. I give a lot of my friends wood and cut it up for them, take it to them, let them come and get it, whatever. But we're supposed to get like, I say 8 to 12 inches. My friend was supposed to come over and celebrate my birthday, Rick, and the snow messed up our plans. You can look down through there. I'll just look at that. In the morning, it's hard to tell what that's going to be like. God, that's hot. My pants are about to catch on fire. Little tip, if you want to really get that thing going, I got like 7 acres here, and I went down the woods. I've lost a lot of pine trees from pine borers, and when they fall over, you can go down there and just pick up the bark, and oh my God, does it, all around the bottom of that fire there, it's pine bark, and I mean it burns fast and hot, and it just makes the other wood, which it's probably kind of wet because we just cut it in the past couple weeks. Under that tarp there we have probably, I don't know, it's like 4 rows of wood there, about 15 feet long. My wife already called me. She said, "Come in. Why are you out here?" I'm going to take you into the innards of hell. Look at those. You wouldn't believe, I'm sitting like 8 feet away from a mine. So my pants are so hot you wouldn't believe it. And hopefully tomorrow morning the coals will still be hot. I'm going to come out here. It's supposed to be like at least 8 to 12 inches. I'm going to start this fire again. I mean, you don't have to let a, ooh, Jesus, snowstorm stop your plans. It's awesome. How romantic. Still falling. I mean, an hour ago it was nothing here. But I mean, it's falling fast. Real fine, wet, it's not light. We'll probably lose our current. Already got the generator started it yesterday and put gas in it. Put a new plug in it, make sure it's running, got gas. See that tarp? Got that covered up so tomorrow when I come out here and start my fire, I'll have dry leaves under there and get it going. Oh, I hear a bunch of geese coming. Coming from the cornfield. Hear them? Usually I can see them, but there's so damn much snow up there I can't see them. All those leaning cypress there will probably be broken off tomorrow. It's supposed to be a real heavy snow. Then ice, so usually they suffer. I'm going to cut them down about 8 feet anyway. I love this fire. It's for you, Rick. I could have a couple 2-inch thick sirloins throw on that thing. God, it's hot. You wouldn't believe how hot it is. Just spilled my Miller. Listen. It's probably 600 degrees here at least. Get back. Show you all the snow around. Here with me and my fire is nothing. So I came out here and lit it. Not gonna snow on my parade. Happy birthday, Ronnie. Later.